So this is a chicken farm, and these are some pebbles we got from downstairs. Here is
the hut
The
where
hut.
the chickens live.
and we should have built a machine where chickens are killed at early 6 weeks, which isn't a lot, but to sustain the rate at which we eat chicken, we have to kill chickens really quickly. And these are supposed to be 2 big eggs. One is red and
The other one's white.
Why is it red?
Because
I don't know.
because red is my favorite color.
So these chickens lay red eggs.
Yes,
Okay.
because they're special chickens.
Ah,
Because they
okay.
get killed at 6 months old. Weeks.
Okay, so you've engineered chickens that you can grow really
Yes.
quickly or rear really quickly.
Yes, and here there's the car park.
Okay,
For the chicken.
the chickens.
Yes.